Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have some glitches to go over as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up, let's take a quick look at our insert schedule for June the 5th. So in today's newspapers, we should be receiving a Save insert and a Smart Source insert. I did receive this Save a couple days early, and there are some pretty good coupons in there, like Dial and Dollar Shave Club. So it's definitely worth going out and checking out your newspapers for today. Just make sure that those inserts are in there before you purchase them. And don't forget that today on Inbox Dollars, we have new free printable coupons that you can print off from home. Now, if you use Inbox Dollars to print off your free printable coupons, they're actually going to pay you to print off those coupons, and then they're going to pay you again 20 cents per coupon when you use them in the store. Now, if you're not already signed up for Inbox Dollars, I highly recommend it because I have been using them for years now. So definitely go and check them out. I'm going to leave my referral link down in the pinned comment below. And if you use that, you're going to receive a free $5 sign-up bonus. And one more quick reminder before we get into the new digital coupons, y'all don't forget that starting on Friday, which is June the 10th, we are going to have an epic Dollar General clearance event. So make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your notifications so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video, because I'm going to have several awesome videos coming out this week going over all kinds of awesome products. We have coupon matchups, we have freebies, we have household products, and food items. So you don't want to miss out. So again, make sure that you are subscribed and turn on those notifications. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. As you all can see, we're doing things a little bit differently this week. Unfortunately, Dollar General changed their website last week. So, where I usually just do a screen record from my phone, can't do that anymore because the coupons are basically impossible to see on your phone. So, we're going to be just going through. We're looking at my tablet right now. So we're going to go through. I'm going to show you all which coupons to clip to your accounts, or which ones I'm clipping to my account anyways. And we're going to talk about some deals. Now y'all keep in mind, while you're clipping your coupons, that the Dollar General clearance event will begin on Friday. So I'm going to have several videos coming out this week going over coupon matchups, sales. We've got freebies, we've got overage, we have a ton of stuff, including food and household items. So, y'all make sure that you are subscribed and turn on those notifications. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right in here. Of course, go ahead and clip your 5 off 25. We have a 4 off 1 for the Gain Flings. This is going to be hard, guys. I'm going to reach around a tripod here. Alright, 3 off 1 for the Gain or Downy products. We have a 2 off 1 for the Gain Liquid. Those are priced at $5.50 this week. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Good deal there. We have a 2 off 1 for all the other Gain laundry products. So those are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. And that does include the larger liquids, the flings, the fabric softener, the fireworks, all that good stuff. We have a 1 off 2 for the Huggies wipes. Those are on sale this week too for $4. So after that coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 2. We have 1 off 1 for the Downy. We have 1 off 1 for the Purex 75 ounces. These are priced at $5.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. We have a new 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Arm & Hammer laundry products. We do still have that $1.50 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer laundry packs, but that one does expire here in a couple of days. So I'm going to go ahead and clip this one to my account. These are priced at $3.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We have a 2 off 1 for the Palmolive Ultra Dish Liquids. Those are priced at $4.50 this week, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Not a bad deal there. We have a 50-cent off 1 for the Lysol disinfecting wipes, the 35 count. Those are priced at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. We have a 1 off 1 for the Fabuloso cleaners. Those are priced at $3.35, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. Let's go ahead and clip that one. We have 25 cents off for the Canine carryouts. Those are priced at $1, so after the coupon, you're going to pay 75 cents. We have a 4 off 1 for the Chic Hydro, Silk, and Intuition women's razors. The Intuition razors, they're priced at $7.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. So go ahead and click that. This website is so much slower. I cannot believe that they changed it. All right, so we have 2 off 2 for the Dial body wash and bar soaps. Now, we have an instant savings this week of $2 when you buy 2 Dial products, okay? So there's a lot that you can do with this coupon. The majority of them are priced at $4 each, I do believe. But if you want to pick up the smaller sizes of the Dial body wash, I think it's 12 fluid ounces. Those are priced at $3.25. So pick up 2 of those. After this coupon is applied, plus that instant savings, you're going to pay $2.50 for 2. Great deal. Now, this coupon is also glitching and is working on the Dial travel size. Those are priced at $2 each. So picking up 2 with this coupon, the instant savings does not apply to the trial size. But if you pick up 2 at $2 each, use that coupon, you're going to pay $2 for 2. But the 12 fluid ounces, much better deal. All right, next up, Tide Simply liquid laundry detergent. Those start out at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. We do have some Tide Simply and Dial included in the clearance event, so y'all may want to save those coupons for this weekend. All right, we've got Pepperidge Farms. We have Cascade. Go ahead and click both of those. We have 4 off 1 for the Schick disposable razors. This is only working on the Skintimate women's 4-count razors. Those are priced at $6.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. We have You by Kotex, 1 off 1. These start out at $3.45. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.45. We have Resolve and Finish. Go ahead and clip those. We have a 5 off 2 for the Poise products. Those start out at $6 each, so picking up 2. With this coupon, you're going to pay $7 for 2. We have a new 2 off 1 for the Airwick Freshmatic refills. We have a 3 off 1 for the pull-ups. 1 off 1 for the Dove Men Plus Care body wash or soaps. Now, we do still have the instant savings on Dove products. It's instantly saved $2 when you spend $8. So we'll definitely have some little deals that y'all can do with that. We have several Dove coupons today. We have ACT. This is so hard to clip. All right, 2 off 1 for the Huggies diapers. We have 1 off 1 for the Nature's Bounty vitamins. There's another Dove coupon. So this one is working on, I would consider it a glitch, some may not. This is working on the 1.6 ounce Dove Women's Cool Essentials deodorants. Those are priced at $4.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. And again, we do have that instant savings on Dove products. We have Parodontax and Aspercream. Definitely got to figure out a new situation for next week. All right, 1 off 1 for the Dove Men Plus Care deodorants. This one is also, I would consider it a glitch. It's working on the smaller Dove Men Plus Care deodorants, 1.7 ounces. Those are priced at $4.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. We have a 4 off 1 for the Schick men's razors, but that one isn't attaching to anything as of right now that I've found. But go ahead and clip it. We have 2 off 1 for the Rolaids. 5 off 1 for the Dollar Shave Club razor blade starter kits or the refills. So this is a great coupon. And go ahead and clip it, and we're going to talk about it in just a second once we get further down the line here. We have 2 off 1 for the Icy Hot products. So these start out at $4.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We have Visine 150 off 1. This does work on the small travel size. It's 0.28 ounces. It's priced at $2.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.45. So there's you another glitch. We have Dove Men Plus Care Hair Care. 5 off 2 for the Clairol. It's always good to have those hair color coupons clipped to your account during the clearance event because a lot of the times we can get really good overage with those. All right, now we have another Dollar Shave Club coupon for $3.50 off one. So you can clip that one if you want, but we do have that higher value 5 off one. So we're going to talk about it in just a second because we have a DG store coupon that will stack with both of those. All right. So I already clipped the 5 off one. I'm going to leave this $3.50 off one alone for now. But again, totally up to you. I'll tell you the deal here in just a second. There's some more Clairol hair color. We have Airborne, Zantac, Lotrimin, Pepsid, Imodium. We have 2 off 1 for the Banana Boat. This works on the Aloe Lotion. Those are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We have Kinder, 5 off 2 for the Depends, 1 off 1 for the Butterfinger or Crunch. Share size bags, those are priced at $3.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. 4 off 1 for the Aspercream products. So this works on the ones that are priced at $9.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. All right, now we're getting into our DG store coupons. So 1 off 1 for any Believe beauty cosmetic product. Those range in price from $3 all the way up to $5, and there are a lot included in clearance. So go ahead and clip that one. We have a 1 off 1 for the DG Health antibiotic or itch creams. Those start out at $2.60. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.60. Great deal. Whoa, runaway coupons here. All right. We have 1 off 3 for cereals. A lot included in that coupon, and we do have a lot of cereals on sale this week. 3 for $6. So if you pick up 3, use that coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 3 boxes. Now we also have some other manufacturer coupons that will stack with this DG store coupon. So we've got General Mills. All accounts should have a 1 off 2 at least for the General Mills cereals. So if you use that manufacturer coupon plus the store coupon with that sale, you're going to pay $4 for 3 boxes of General Mills cereal. All right. Now, we have a $1.50 off 1 for the Dollar Shave Club refill product. So that 5 off 1 coupon and the $3.50 off 1 coupon both work on the refills, the 4-count refills that are priced at $8. So if you pick up 1 of the 4-count refills and use the $3.50 off 1 manufacturer coupon with this $1.50 off 1 DG store coupon, you're going to pay $3. Or if you clip the 5 off 1 coupon, you can stack that with this $1.50 off 1 manufacturer coupon. That's going to leave you paying $1.50 for the 4-count Dollar Shave Club refills. So awesome deal. And y'all want to be on the lookout for rebates, because sometimes Fetch Rewards gives us really good rebates on Dollar Shave Club products. All right, moving on down here, we have some motor oil. We have DG Health Naproxen, the 24 count, they're priced at $2.60. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.60. Another pretty good deal. We have 1 off 1 for the DG Health Pediatric Oral Electrolyte Drink. Those are priced at $3.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. And we have a 1 off 2 for the Maybelline New York nail polishes. And some of those are included in the clearance event. So definitely go ahead and clip that one. And I believe that is it for our new Dollar General digital coupons for today. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stay tuned because I have a ton of awesome videos coming up for y'all this week. So first thing tomorrow, we should have the Good Deals and Glitch List video done and uploaded for you. And then we're going to roll right on into the clearance event videos where we are going to go over a ton of awesome products. Like I said, there is a lot included. We have new food products, we have household products, we have coupon matchups, we have freebies, and we have overages. So y'all do not want to miss out. So, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, you better go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that your notifications are turned on and set to all. Also, before you leave the video, please hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment down below. Let me know how y'all are doing today and if you are excited for this clearance event. And then, while you're at it, please take a second and share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.